Hey guys, it's your FJ DIY guy coming to you live from inside his FJ rig. And today I'm super stoked to talk to you guys about one of the coolest add-ons that I've done to my FJ. And if I told you it was less than $30, would you believe me? Probably not. But yes, less than 30 bucks. And I'm not going to hold you in suspense any longer. It has to do with the ignition and a push button start. Yeah! It's 2022. We need to upgrade, get rid of those keys. And I haven't seen anything like that. The greatest part is that I did it 6 or 7 months ago. Yeah, it's heavily battle tested, and this thing starts like a charm.
So with that said, I'm going to give you everything you need to convert your key ignition to a push button start that is reliable and is going to only cost you about 25 bucks. All right, let's dive in.
The tools that you're going to need are going to be a plastic pry tool, a panel popper, a Phillips bit, or you can also use a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket. You can use a ratchet. It's a lot faster with a drill or an impact, so we're going to use an impact in this case. The first thing that we're going to remove is going to be this bottom steering shroud plastic right here. There's 3 Phillips screws. There's one here on the bottom, there is one here on the left behind the steering wheel, and then there's another one over here on the right. You might find it easy to start the vehicle and rotate the steering wheel to access the screws. Once you guys have the screws removed, just go ahead and put your finger in here and you can literally just pop that baby right down. Go ahead and tilt the wheel all the way up. That will help aid in the removal of the bottom panel. The next thing we're going to do is pop this off right here. Just go ahead and grab the top left part and pull straight out towards you, and that whole piece will come out. The next panel we're going to remove is the plastic kick panel down here. In order to do that, you're going to see a plastic pedal here. Go ahead and just pop this up. It's not screwed in or anything, it just pops up. One thing I will note when you guys put this back on is make sure that these are positioned straight, like square up and down. If it's cockeyed or rotated in any form like this, the pedal's not going to go back on. You're going to remove this plastic nut right here, just counterclockwise, is just to pop this up a little bit, and then remove the kick panel like so. Remove this bottom panel here, so go ahead and just pull the fuse box cover off. There's a 10mm bolt right here all the way on the left, and there's another one on the right where this little indentation is. Just go ahead and grab this corner. It's a good starting point, and you'll see it pop loose, and you can go all the way across and just remove it. Once this panel's dropped down, you're going to see an electrical connector here, so go ahead and unplug this. You're also going to see the hood latch. Press that little white tab there, and it will come right on out that hole, and set this plastic panel aside. We got one more thing to remove, and it's this metal brace underneath the dash. There's 4 10mm bolts. There's one down here on the far left, one up here to the left of the steering column, there's one up here by the ignition switch, and there's one more down here on the bottom right corner. If you have those 10mm bolts released, go ahead and just lift up on this and set.
This is super important. You need to take a picture of this when you're ready to do it for your reference later. Stop the video, take a picture, and keep it when you do the job. thing works. So here's the fob, right here. And you put it in your secret place. We'll talk about that later, but I just touch it like so. And then push button, pull down the brake pedal, and you push it just like any other car. And there you have it. And there you have it. Push it again to stop. You can take your foot off the pedal, you can push it once. Push it once to just get your accessories. It will not start without you pushing your foot on the pedal. So now I just push my foot on the pedal again, and boom. So the cool part of this is I did it 6 or 7 months ago, and it's been working like a charm. No problems at all. And it's just so easy. And literally nobody can steal my car, even if they had the keys, because they have no idea where the secret fob spot is to activate the push button.